Hello traders, the title of this video is a faster way to improve daily chart analysis, step 2. Have you watched step 1? If not, check it out, a faster way to improve daily chart analysis, step 1 at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Let's get started, alright? So many traders love the daily chart and they want to use the daily chart and they are looking for their trading setup on a daily chart. All right? And quite often they get into trouble or they are shooting, so to speak, in all directions, all right, trying to gain something out of the financial market. But one can quickly, all right, improve a daily chart, okay, in a different fashion. So I'll show you step 1. I'm not talking about in this tutorial. I will let you find that video to search the phrase the faster way to improve a daily chart analysis, step 1. So in step 2, you go to the monthly chart and you draw all the trend lines. I'm not talking about key levels here. I'm talking about trend lines only. As many trend lines that you can draw. All right? Draw them all, draw them all. All right? Okay? Any trend line, just draw them and leave them on your chart. See, I'm just drawing trend lines. So I'm going to see here, those trend lines here. Draw them very close to the price and leave that one also on my chart. That particular one is very interesting to me. I'll color that one into orange. Remember that. Okay, that's the one we are watching now. Okay, any more trend line? Any more? Okay, there's one more here. Just draw them out. That's it. Okay, you draw them all. I'm going to start coloring them into orange. But your intention is to look for the trading setup on the daily chart. But before that, you are coming to the monthly chart to draw all those golden, beautiful trend lines. Okay? Nice one. Okay. All right. After that, you switch to the daily chart. Switch to the daily chart, and you will be looking for trading setup in the vicinity of any of those trend lines. So there was one here. The head and shoulder chart pattern. Here it is, you see, on the edge of a monthly chart key levels. See, gap down, big time. Came back again, tried to retest it one more time. They were at the rendezvous. They shut it down fast. See here? Fast move down. Look at this section here. Came a bit close, but not quite to it. But there were bearish pressure piled along that trend line. Again here, they sold it on the edge. Here it went above it, but they pushed it back below it again. Again, look, all this were happening on a daily chart, but the action was coming from the monthly chart trend line. So that's where we are now today. You see, that's where the price on daily chart, you see. So this is the last day, last Friday, you see. Went up, it hit it. But if you didn't draw all, you see how I draw that trend line on the monthly chart? Very close to you. See, that's what I call it the first one, see. Professional doing exactly that. Trading algorithm can identify that trend line easily. Trading robot can spot that trend line easily. And high frequency traders are trading around those trend lines. So as I told traders also before, the common set trend line that we draw along the price. So we are not correcting 2 points to draw the common set trend. We just drawing along the price like this. On the monthly chart, those trend lines are so powerful. Especially if you are day trading. Use the monthly chart common set trend line, the trend line that we draw very, very close to the price. You see how I draw it now? Very, very close to the price. And then before you switch, okay, to the daily chart, and then you are looking for trading setup. So those of you that are using stochastic pattern, you see one stochastic pattern on a daily chart, you want to make sure it's happening around a key level, one of the monthly chart trend line or key level. You want to know where are we. So look at this one here. This is a beautiful one here, right, from a double bottom chart pattern near a monthly bullish trend line. This is a nice setup here. So after he formed a double bottom chart pattern, followed by a higher low. This one is a high probability setup. Double bottom followed by a higher low. That higher low is what? A high probability trading setup. Give yourself the best trading setup. Okay? Alright. So here again, this one is, let's go through it. This is a head and shoulder chart pattern that was formed here. So when you see a head and shoulder chart pattern followed by a lower high, that lower high, you see, now you understand why the price gap down. Professionals spot it. They spot that this was a high point. They sold it down. Again, now it formed a double top here. So now we have this bearish chart pattern followed by another bearish chart pattern. They're just selling like a mad dog traders. Look at that. Okay. Again on the monthly trend line, you see that's one. The people were buying along. You see, they bought it here, quite close. They were preferring the movement at 200. You couldn't touch it here, but you can see that there were trading opportunity along that monthly trend line. So this is step 2 to improve, okay, your daily chart trading, okay, analysis. So instead of going to the daily chart first, looking for chart pattern, trading setup, whatever you call it, okay, cup and handle chart pattern, you are going first to the monthly chart. You draw those trend lines, and you want to make sure the daily chart trading setup that you want to use is taking place on or near, right, one of those trend line. Look at it. This is another one here, inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. So this is here. This is a high probability setup. So what I'm saying to you is that if a financial instrument goes up and then form a bullish chart pattern, inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, whatever, that bullish chart pattern is usually a high probability setup because it went up first. Now it's forming, okay, a bullish chart pattern. You will pay attention to that bullish chart pattern that is formed after a bullish move. You will. Right? Here it is. Okay? Similarly, I mean, in contrast, if the price went down, and then after it went down, it formed a bearish chart pattern, you will give consideration to that bearish chart pattern. Right? If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If the video has been useful to you, truthfully useful to you, let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down. I want to know whether you like it or dislike it. If you think that it's an essential tutorial that can help other daily chart traders or technical traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel is 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, DG2, DG4 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Subscribe to them and be sure to click on the notification bell so when we are live streaming, okay, pre-recorded video, you will be the first person to be notified. So this will conclude our discussion today about a faster way to improve daily chart analysis, step 2. I will be recording another video when I will be talking about the step 3, a faster way to improve daily chart analysis. See you in step 3. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Thank you for watching.